Buckle up. Imagine this. You type a few words and voila! A professional quality video effortlessly appears. Sounds wild, right? Introducing Runway AI's text-to-video tool, a revolutionary game-changer for creators, marketers, and anyone with stories to tell. This isn't just some clunky software spitting out pixelated nonsense. No, Runway uses advanced algorithms to turn simple prompts like "a lighthouse in a thunderstorm" into stunning cinematic visuals complete with motion and mood lighting. Forget weeks of filming or expensive cameras. This tool democratizes video production at the click of a button. So, if you've got ideas, the road between inspiration and execution just got shorter. But wait, we've barely scratched the surface. Let's talk humanoid robots. Ever dreamed of having a helper who not only listens but executes flawlessly? Enter Tesla Bot. Built with human-like agility, these robots handle repetitive tasks, lifting heavy objects, house chores, even assisting in hazardous environments. Imagine, need groceries? Your Tesla Bot's on it. Dropped your phone? Guess who's picking it up with robot precision? It's not science fiction anymore. It's real, it's practical, and it's happening now. But hold on tight. We're speeding into something even more revolutionary. Neuralink. Yeah, the brain-computer interface you've probably heard whispers about. This isn't just tech, this is human enhancement. By connecting your brain directly to a computer, Neuralink aims to give you control over devices with mere thoughts. No hands, no voice needed. Imagine opening your email or typing a message mentally. Incredible, right? Now scale that idea. Think of medical breakthroughs like restoring mobility to paralyzed patients or treating conditions like depression with direct neural stimulation. The implications are staggering, and we're only at the starting line of what this tech promises. Now, let's fast forward to 2030. What's a typical day with these innovations? Picture this. Wake up, and your AI chef has already prepared a personalized, nutrient-perfect breakfast. You step into your living room, a gateway to virtual paradise as you explore VR vacations from the comfort of your couch. Then, off to work. Not by car, but with a drone taxi sailing effortlessly above traffic. Every moment, assisted, enhanced, elevated by AI. The key takeaway? This isn't just progress, it's a paradigm shift. AI, robotics, and cutting-edge interfaces are not just tools. They're transformative extensions of our lives. So if the future sounds exhilarating, stay tuned. Tech is moving fast. Don't blink. Your next upgrade might just be bigger than you ever imagined. Technovations keeps you ahead of the curve, one groundbreaking trend at a time. Subscribe for the ride of a lifetime.